Good morning. Thank you for joining us. We'll be talking about the AVT IFS SmartFreight connector for NetSuite and how it can help your business reduce cost and automate your shipping and dispatch process. The AVT IFS connector for NetSuite allows you to quote for shipping, cost the shipping, and book the consignment and print a fully carrier-compliant label, all within NetSuite. The details of the AVT IFS connector are available under SuiteApps.com or on our website under SuiteApps. Just search for IFS SmartFreight integration for NetSuite. So the main benefits of having this integration in place is allowing your users to just operate fully within NetSuite and look at costing carriers and shipments and booking shipments all within NetSuite framework. Some of the business benefits of using IFS are around multi-carrier selection, least cost estimation, printing a fully carrier-compliant label, and so forth. To give you a demonstration how the connector works, the connector is built as a bundle for NetSuite. It's a fully managed bundle. All you need to do is speak to our sales representative and we can provision that bundle. Once the bundle is provisioned, it will give users options to manage all their carriers, services, and centers all within the NetSuite account. This tab here shows you how the carriers can be managed by just simply going into the carrier mapping record and adding new carriers as your business grows. This tab is also available on the sales orders. So for sitting in a sales order, if you wanted to estimate what shipping cost of the sales order would be, the IFS SmartFreight connector would allow you to do so. Let's look at this particular sales order. This sales order is going to 14th Street, Auckland. And if you wanted to look at the shipping cost for the sales order, I simply have to go to the sales order in edit mode and click on Estimate Freight. When I click on Estimate Freight, AVT IFS connector will do a real-time query with IFS to look at all the available carriers and options available. As you can see here, it's pulled up a number of carriers and services. What is also pulled up is the cost associated with each of the carrier and service. I can then choose the cheapest and the most expensive carrier and look at my delivery options. Let me just go ahead and choose my cheapest carrier here. I click on Allocate. This will then automatically allocate this particular carrier and service on my IFS SmartFreight tab. It's also allocated the shipping cost on the order. You can then give the shipping cost to the end customer, or you can charge a particular markup on the shipping cost. Let me just go ahead and save this order. Once the order is saved, let me just go ahead and fulfill this order. You will notice on the item fulfillment, we've got a IFS SmartFreight tab as well. All the information that was saved on the order gets automatically copied onto the fulfillment tab. The dispatch can then pick and pack the order. At the time of picking and packing, we can look at copying any of the special instructions from the sales order onto the fulfillment record. If they were set up previously, they get automatically copied. Let me just save this fulfillment. Here I have an option to either automatically import this fulfillment into IFS SmartFreight. Let me just go ahead and do that. At this time, IFS will book the consignment, bring all the costing backs onto the fulfillment record, and print the label instantaneously. As you can see here, the booking confirmation, the booking costs have been pulled back onto, well, the booking information has been pulled onto the booking tab, where you can see a con note number and the label number. The costings have been brought onto the costing tabs. If I wanted to delete this booking, I can simply click the delete option here. You'll also notice the package has been created for you. we can straight away go and build this particular fulfillment from here. This will copy the shipping cost as well as the packaging details onto the invoice. And there we have it. We could estimate the cost real time on the sales order. We can go ahead and book it, and then we can invoice it right to the customer. Let me just go back to my fulfillment. See if I made a mistake here. I can simply delete the booking by clicking the delete booking button. And I can then look at all the available freight options by doing a freight comparison on my fulfillment. And here we have it again. We have a complete list of carriers available. In this demonstration, we've only chosen the New Zealand carriers. This connector is fully compliant with the Australian carriers, as well as the UK and the South African carriers. We offer a number of workflows that could be configured during implementation. The configuration record allows us to manage a number of workflow settings, whether we want to charge for shipping by default, or whether we want to manage a different percentage of markup, or whether if we want to source some carrier and sender specific information for different divisions of the business. We also allow you to have a fully trackable email that goes out from within NetSuite and managed onto the sales order and the fulfillment. As a part of the IFS service, IFS will produce a fully carrier compliant label and help you to customize the label for your particular carriers. As you can see here, that's how a typical label will look like. And here's one for SmartFreight ANZ. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please speak to either your IFS representative or AVT visiting avtapps.com. Thank you.